expensive.
Buffalo ranch and Chick-fil-A sauce. Oh, la chica.
Hello.
Because there's people, that's fine.
Oh.
Hi, Bob. This is our combined vlog.
Oh. I don't like ours.
Why? Bro, we're gonna get.
I used to with the code name. We don't even know. We know.
We do.
We do.
Okay, guys. So welcome to our channel again, or whatever. It's finals day 1, and we're only recording for our combined channel. We're only recording the first one because we're gonna get food after school. A1 camera, woman skills, whole frame, no attention. She's ordering. We're getting Chick-fil-A after school and froyo, and we're going to Target, and I hear people walking.
Yeah, like we gotta wait till 10:30.
Told you.
I like their breakfast.
I don't like fast food breakfast. Keep it up.
Nah.
Anyways, I already know what froyo I'm getting.
What are you eating?
Something with vanilla.
Same. Bye.
No, bye. You can. 11:25. So that's when we get out of here.
Nah.
It's currently 10:13. I turned off my phone.
A lot of people coming in.
We're gonna get food today. That's it. That's all we have. And we have one more class after this. We get out at 12:50. I tried leaving early the other day to go turn in my paper, and they were like, "Oh, we can't do that." And you know who answered me?
Our donkey came.
Like after.
Oh no, I didn't want it.
Oh.
I was just displaying it.
After and on this corner for $5. Guess how much is in the suitcase? The price is right. I'm gonna sit on it. Steve Hart for like answer number 1. What would you let your wife do to your face? Sit on it.
Name something you like your girlfriend to do to your face.
I want to say sit on it.
Yes! Sit on it!
Okay. Watch out, bro. Remember, I edit this. I could get all the bad angles of it.
Please don't.
I'm gonna make one of those videos like everything I crop out.
No.
Bro, Joselyn talks like she'll be like this. She'll be like, oh yeah, and I'm doing this. And Emily, I know you're editing this, so I know you're gonna.
I did this morning because I vlogged this morning. She lying.
I'm the editor. How am I gonna lie? You know, the camera person always survives, but we're both camera people, so.
Either way, I'm gonna die.
You know, you don't have to Hello, I was talking to them.
Sorry.
You don't have to outrun a bear. You just have to take somebody you can outrun. Oh my god, we got 15 minutes. Till it's 10:30, sorry. I'm starving. Vlog! Bye. What the fuck? Okay, show what we got.
Okay, so on the menu, we're hella big bags, bro.
Show, you got 3 minutes. Come on, go.
Chick-fil-A.
I got chicken nuggets.
I got the chicken sandwich meal. We both got meals. Yes. Crumble.
We also got shakes. Sorry.
Yes.
Oreo? Both?
Both Oreo.
Crumble is a chocolate chip cookie. She's not saying what's in it. Froyo?
We got froyo. I got vanilla and a little bit of dulce de leche with peanuts crushed up like, I don't know. But
something
with peanuts, caramel, M&Ms. There was a cherry in there, so I put it in my shake.
Covered cherry.
There was chocolate covered in the regular.
I got very vanilla, sugar-free froyo, and the original tart on top. Gummy worms, Nerds, chocolate rocks, chocolate coated strawberry, and a little bit of marshmallow topping.
I don't remember. It was crushed up Butterfinger and I think Heath bar. Heath?
10 out of 10.
Would recommend.
Sorry, vlog. We were also filming up here, as you can hear.
It's always in.
So, Chick-fil-A queen. Because that's my main course.
For you?
Thank you. Move your hair that way.
Thank you, broski. For you?
Oh yeah, she doesn't like the sauce though.
I don't need like ketchup and ranch.
And Cane's sauce. Did you get your ranch? Okay, y'all. So basically my arm's burning the hell up. Burning the hell off. Like, I don't know. The sun's like being very attracted to the. I got 8-piece chicken nuggets, guys, and this is a TikTok hack that I saw like years ago.
Nobody cares. I'm just kidding.
5 years ago. Because it was in 2020. So you put. Do we have napkins before I dump this on my leg and come out with stained hands?
No.
Grab the froyo. We have napkins. Thank God somebody has napkins in this. Crumble cookie. Where should we put it? Do we have napkins? Oh no, we have a singular. Well, nobody spelled nothing. A singular napkin in case of an emergency.
Chicken sandwich. It's very plain. It has no pickles. Nothing good.
Well, okay, so usually I would put the buffalo sauce over it and ranch, you know, but it's gonna leak out, so I'm just gonna dip it. And if I need ranch, then I will use it. What should we talk about?
I need to stop with that.
Yes, because I blurred it out last video.
Oops.
So, what should we talk about?
That had a lot of salt. I loved it.
Okay, the first time we did one of these type of videos, we were doing Q&A, but it was on my channel. Second time, it was Cane's, and we just...
Me.
Yeah, because we were doing a Cane's little review type stuff. This one, I don't even know, bro. It was big back activities. I think that's just what I'm gonna name the vlog. What are you doing?
It had little watery, juicy. Ugh.
Okay.
You know the first time I ate Chick-fil-A? It was the last time because it was nasty.
Really?
The fries were not in. The chicken nuggets were not in.
And now she's telling me when we're in Target to buy sodas. How'd I get sent grocery shopping?
That one was a little spicy.
So, Jocelyn, how did you think you did on your final?
Terrible. The extra credit. Easy. Why? Because she just said look at the paragraphs and find colors in the words. So I got you. There was like a big paragraph and like in the hidden, like some of the hidden words, there was some like red, but it was spaced out. I don't know how to explain it, but yeah.
I think I kind of understood. Artistic art. People be doing something like that and selling it for $1 million.
Okay, I like it. Casa.
I got Chipotle the other day. You saw. And all I've been thinking about is that burrito.
From Chick-fil-A, what the hell? From Chipotle.
Those are gonna be so melted.
What? That's already melting because I can actually drink it. I need water though. I want water.
I have some in my bag. You want it?
It's fresh. No, right now.
She says you want water.
I know. Shh.
He's on another level.
I went to the Mexican store because I was craving some Mexican candy, bro. I swear, I think I'm pregnant. And I got the cacahuates. Bubulu, that's gone. This peanut candy that I love. I wouldn't call it a candy, but you know. And then cachetadas. That I forgot I had. No, I'm good.
Like, I'll drink it, but I don't like it. Yeah, I don't know what kind of Hispanic I am either.
Yeah. So how do you think you did on your final?
Shit. And you know what sucks? It's hella easy.
What?
Baking, I told you.
Oh.
We washed our hands, we measured out flour, we weighed it. Measured out water, we weighed it. And I still think I did horribly. Because...
How are you gonna do terrible? Imagine you did terrible on the washing hand parts. But how do you be what?
Currently editing this right now, and I know you see it too. Ignore the hair. It's bugging me. It's been bugging me, but...
Good thing I didn't get her.
Yeah, you did. And it's baking intro, isn't it?
It's fine.
It's crazy. Should have had it first semester. I wouldn't have been alone.
No, because that shit would have been chaotic.
Not really. He's more quiet when he's with me. Alone, he's more quiet. Sometimes he's sassy.
Who puts onions in mac and cheese?
I didn't raise my hand. I meant like...
I gave it to my mom. I'm burning. I like that apple pie that we did. No, it was a cheesecake. Where's the apple pie?
It was an apple tart.
That too. But I like the cheesecake too. I fucking finished that
It
shit
was
up.
an apple tart because that's when... Hey, be happy at that story.
Thank you.
One day. I was trying to find out what to talk about. I'm like, oh, my opening line. And then I remember she'd be gonna yell at me.
How do you say it when I'm there? Be like, yep. Yep, that's me.
That's my life.
I'm
No,
wondering how I ended up in this situation.
I wish I had a video of it to this day. Nah, but because, like, imagine her do... Then you'd look at me and get more mad at me.
No, I'm gonna be like, this fucking bitch.
Exactly. But you wouldn't be that calm about it. I know you.
I'm gonna text you and be like, stop saying that story.
Opening line. I told it to my hairdresser one time. I told you. I had never met that lady in my life. Till that day, and I told you.
You're telling strangers now?
All the time. This is good, but I need to move on to the next. The
Yeah,
shakes, I think I'm just gonna put a pause on those. Maybe an unpopular opinion to most people, but that song is fire.
What?
The Froyo song.
Like the song, hate the video.
On a good day, it's time to go crazy. Frozen, yo, 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 yogurt. Oh, yo, so yummy. Sweet, yummy Froyo's all I need. 'Cause you only live once.
going, do not let me know. Did you guys see that Ash Trevino has bed bugs? I'm not surprised. She looks dirty as fuck. What the fuck? That Nunu was probably not.
We're gonna laugh. The song is Ash, but it's also fire. Birth year 18, 18. We're about to be 18. Guys, we're about to be 18. Let us know what to do. And if anybody wants to come hang out with us, you're more than welcome to, because we have 0 friends.
Just don't be a stud. Or weird. Or a bitch. Because I'm only allowed to be a bitch. But technically we're allowed to be bitches, but I'm more of a bitch.
Thank you. If I fucking everything.
Ooh. I told you it was chocolate covered cherry. Cherry?
I don't know. Cherries. I didn't think it was that bad of a cherry. I'm using a napkin for this.
Technically, we're gonna walk this off, to be honest.
I'm sorry, I tried. I really tried to get it down. I couldn't. Oh my god, that is the Target dog. What if I start playing Nunu and this lady walks by?
I wonder if they did.
God, I hope not.
I'm like, if you do, I'll.
Psycho killer. Qu'est-ce que c'est? I used the napkin.
I got it.
Oh, we got toilet paper. Ever need a shit on the go?
Advertisement.
I smell like culo at this
Okay, no, this girl that I follow, I'm not gonna say her name. But she's right. Fucking wildin' if you're gonna do a head in a school bathroom. Could never.
Well, I want to know though, was that taken in the girls' bathroom or boys' bathroom?
I don't know. No, that had 2 stalls. Girls.
Well, the boys have 1? Really?
Because they have like those type of weird ones where you stand.
A urinal.
Yeah. Oh, so I just called that.
On another note, we're gonna try crumble.
Nah, shit.
Because the camera's gonna die soon. And we gotta film the
Hey.
food before we leave.
That's a lot of wise.
Oh, let's do it like Jake.
Who?
Jake Weber. I hate when I have my sleeves up. Sorry, y'all.
I'm gonna take some of your water, broski.
Guys, so today we are doing a crumble cookie review of the semi-chocolate chunk chip.
Chocolate chalk cookie.
Look at it. Shut up.
Anyways,
That's how Jake does it.
we're like Jake and Johnny.
Wait, pretend to take a bite.
What?
Does not help the allegations. You know what? At this point, embrace the fucking allegations. Take a bite. Put your thing down. You have sun. Is it this way? Oh shit. Me tumbé los cuernos.
Fucking it's down.
Fucking you. It's
Fucking
you.
dumbass. It was you.
We can never be gay because you also laugh too much.
My bad. You need water though.
I'm gonna get a thumbnail out of it. I'm taking a bite.
Ooh, she crunchy.
Mmm.
Oh.
I mean, I don't know. I don't really love chocolate like that. Pull it. Get it out.
I can't open this. Okay, we're gonna try the double chocolate chalk cookie. You guys are too close.
Crumbs, woman. I'm scared. I took a bite, you took a nibble. How is it?
My dog could do better.
Guys, it was like $5.
Although that,
for like 4, it's like 20. That's the thing. Each are 5. That's gonna be it for this mukbang. We're gonna go film TikToks in Target. I think we actually might post on our TikTok account that this is our TikTok account that we never use. It's 2:32. We have been out of school for over an hour. We took like an hour to eat.
my bad.
So I was gonna complete the video. Anything you gotta say?
Bye.
Anything else?
Thanks for watching.
I don't know in this bitch. You know it smell well. Okay, yeah, bye.